Red Line Fever. Pulled the Red Line Fever tractor. We're going to sled change, make it a little bit lighter. So Morton Graves will be the first colors in the class.
Here, he can even sit down.
10,000 pound pro stock tractors coming at you. Goes from white to gray to black. Clutch comes out, tire starts to turn. Here we go! Bring a little fire on the exhaust. Try to get down there all the way. Jeremy Walker coming in on 205. License plate in the back of my van. I think he was just playing with me. Never did get around me.
Take a look at the exhaust, how high that goes before it billows out. There's a lot of pressure in that engine.
Now we got some old John Deere's on the track. Ron Barron going down the track out of St. Michael, Minnesota. Pretty darn nice.